guys! Today, tuturuan natin ng ating mga binibini paano magluto ng spaghetti! Magka-rhyme. So first guys, we have to chop some onions, garlic, and then...
yung ilang kamay. Pwede ba Tagalog?
So mga binibini, nangyari tayong magutad. Ano magutad? Alam, Bisaya pala yun. I don't know how to, gutad, chop.
Maggayat.
Magayat ng mga
Translator.
onions,
Sibuyas.
kamatis. Ay, hindi mo na kamatis. Garlic, bawang. Tapos, hot dogs.
Yes, hot dogs.
And that's it. I think that's it. Oh, we have to buy some Rina later. Oh, hindi to hindi to sponsored. So, thank you so much for the Clara oil. Clara oil.
Uy, the water.
The butter?
It's boiling.
It's boiling, the water. Okay, so firstly, we'll buy the reason why we're boiling the the water. You have to pour some, some
oil. Oh,
some oil. Oil muna.
There's the oil.
So guys, the secret para
Yung pinagprotehan po
the secret para hindi masayang yung gasol is
mag-boil tayo ng water
sa
dripper.
Tapos dito sa what do you call this?
Painitan ng tubig.
The heater.
Yes.
The kettle. The electric kettle.
Yes.
You know.
Lahat na niya.
So, okay, pour some oil. So, gagamitin nating oil. Who will do the honor?
I will do the honor. You're the first honor.
Hindi, a little lang.
Say stop.
A little. Just, okay. More. Tama na. Yes. So, ano pong sukat nun? Mata-mata lang.
Opo, 1/4.
1/4? No, I don't think so. And then, a little bit of salt. Okay, Pen?
Do the salt.
Do the honor.
The first one.
This will go to YouTube.
Honor.
This will go to YouTube,
Ay, for
guys.
real?
Yes.
Konti lang po.
Yes. Just a little. More. Okay.
Wow.
And then, put the pasta. Pasta.
Ay, tigisa tayo para masaya. Di ba po nahati po ito? Hindi yan.
Oh, Italians will be offended.
Oh,
Hello,
yes.
mga Italiano. So, let's not hati the pasta.
Oh, let's not hati.
In front of the camera. At the back of the camera.
Ilalagay na po namin?
Yes. Go, guys.
Oh my gosh.
Yes. Okay. And
Feeling ko chef na ako.
And
Guys, masarap to
and the other one. And the last one.
The last one.
Yeah. So, in one pack, that's a 500 kilogram pasta. So, how many pasta are we cooking?
1,500 grams.
So, that's...
Siya po tanongin niyo sa mat, huwag niyo po kontak.
So, that's 1 kilo and 1.5 kilo.
Yes.
Okay. Very good. Okay, and as we go on, we have to prepare the hot dogs and the...
Where's the
So, okay, where are we gonna put the camera here?
nahulog sa lababo.
Yeah! Kasya tayo, guys. Okay.
Ako magbabalat.
May onion
pa kasi. Si Saturday na doon, baka mag-iyak ako eh.
Oh, sige. You do the hot dogs, guys. You do the hot dogs.
Baka magkasabon yung hotdog.
Where's the...
Galing talaga, sinama kami sa pagbablog. Nahimik yung mga tao dito sa tabi-tabi.
The knife. Oh, where's the knife? Oh, you can have this knife.
Totoo po ba?
Yes, that's just a hot dog. It's not hard to chop.
Ilan po?
Half lang siya.
Where's the chopper?
The chopper.
Ayan po sa...
It's in the... The chopper.
Kalahating hotdog lang po?
Yes po.
Parang auntie po, the chopper. Kalahating hotdog lang po, parang unti. Hindi, itong kalahati. Akala ko kalahati. Shopping board. Ayun ba? Ayun. Bakit chopper ang sabi ko? Chopper, magsa-chop. You do this. Kalahating ano lang pa. Sabi niya, bakit daw maunti pagkalahati? Akala, kalahati. Ay, ba't hati? Ay, ganito talaga siya? Kalahati ng pack. Wow, ang cute niya. Ngayon lang makita nito. That's okay, guys. Where are we going? What are the tender, juicy hot dogs? Yes. So, yum. Dalagyan na to. So yummy. The plate is here. Paano pong cut nito? Ano gusto nyo? May design, pabilog, flower. Hindi mo naman kaya yun. Hindi mo naman kaya yun. Flower yung cut. Ay, pag ano. Ganito lang po. Manipis. Ay, hindi. May tutulong sa'yo. Slanting. Yes. Slanting. First, you're gonna cut it in half. Yeah. And then you're gonna cut it in whole. Paganto, yan o. Anong paganto? Paganyan. Tapos ganito. Slant? Slant. Di ba turgent like this? Yes, like that. Very good. Ay! Gantong ulam ko lagi pag wala akong hinihamak ang halo ko sa ketchup. Excuse me, ladies and gentlemen. So, guys, these are the, what do you call that? The committed teenagers in our church. We're having bayanihan today. Di ba dito na lang sa gitna? We're palatiding the... Di ba dito na lang sa gitna? What's bayanihan niya in English, guys? Unity? Hindi, Unity? Ayun, United? We're United Nations
Bayanihan.
today. Pwede na po yun, bayanihan. Okay na po yun. Bayanihan today. So, bayan. We're trying to finish up the construction of our church. Ang gamit, hindi ko kaya. Ganun lang, isang slant lang. Mapangit yung kutsilyo. Oh, make your... Baliktad yung gamit. Ganyan talaga siya. Ay, hindi tayo mamamonetize yan. Ba't yung kutsilyo? Dito, be, wag mo to gamitin. I do not recommend this kasi ang pangit niya magka. Okay, so let's use another one. Ayoko niya. Gusto ko yung magandang kutsilyo. Kunin mo yung nasa labas. What? Nasa labas? Opo, meron po siya kinuha. Okay. Ay, hindi, be, nasa likod. Diyan, di ba ino That's how you... So I'm trying to teach them how to cook spaghetti. Philippine style. And thank you so much for our sponsor, Clara Olay. Yeah.
Sponsor po yan?
Yes, sponsored.
Sponsored by?
Sponsored by
Secret person?
Clara Olay.
Baka naman Clara Olay. Damihan mo na sa susunod.
We're cooking the snack.
Bakit? Kaya pala kami tinawag, Beth, mo. Pero mong ginagawa namin dito, lumapit ka. Mag-shoutout ka sa vlog namin.
Sa vlog natin,
Nagpapala yung mga tao doon. Pero okay lang. Masaya ako dito. At Jane, alam mo ba, this is one of my dreams.
Your dream? Wow.
Yeah, I want to be... Yep.
Wow.
Pero... Ay, maging vlogger.
Tayo masyado malaki.
Hi guys.
Welcome to my vlog. Hindi.
Hi, shoutout kay Louie. Mag-iwan ng bakas.
Yes, okay.
Bakas-bakas tayo mga ka-idol.
Gitna na ginagawa mo, magkaiba tayo ng style. Okay lang, yaman na para iba-ibang shape ng hotdog yung makikita nila. Sabi, bakit may bilog? Bakit may slant? Hindi ako maalam ng slant. You feel the heat.
Okay, so it's taking so much time for the hot dogs. We'll just pause for a minute and we'll show you later the other ingredients.
Yeah.
So ladies, come here. You'll know if the spaghetti is cooked already, if the color turns into pale. Does this look pale to you guys? No. Ano ba Tagalog? Tabay. Okay. This looks pale? Not yet. Okay, so it should be pale and fat. Okay? Guys, so we're almost done. So this is Aldrich. Hi. What's so serious?
Hello po.
So master. And they haven't finished the hot dogs yet. So already. Ready already.
It's so hot, guys, in the Philippines. So hot like us. So hot. Wow. Guys, they wanna learn how to speak in Bisaya. Yes. So far, what did you learn today?
Maot imong dagway. Maot imong dagway, oy.
That's what they want to learn, because they tell someone later. Ay, that's not very nice. After that, do the onions, You can do the onions even if you're crying. Later. And what else? Garlic, the sibuyas. Ay, no, very wrong. The bawang. Good afternoon. Hi, guys. This is Alexi. Welcome to my vlog. We're doing cooking. What guys? What did you say, guys?
We're done to cry. We're done cutting hot dogs. And so now we're ready to cry. Yes.
They're ready to cry. How about you? Are you ready to cry?
Hindi ko po. Bigla na ako random.
Eric, okay yan.
May pusa kayo, Eric?
Okay.
So let's taste the pasta if it's cooked already. For me, I think it's cooked already. I don't know with them. Okay, you taste the pasta, guys, if it's cooked already. My first taster. Blow it. Tirahan mo si Pen. Sinubula. How? Is it
Okay na.
cook?
Okay na to.
Pwede na po. Okay. Pwede na to. It's okay.
Dami naman natin fan.
Hi guys, we've met someone today. Colander. Say hello to our colander. Is this the colander?
Yes, that is.
Oh, I thought it's a strainer. No, it's a colander.
Well, in layman's terms, ang colander po is used in the UK.
Oh, that's why we have that.
Strainer yung mga American.
Oh, that's why.
Trainer.
Yeah. How about in the Philippines? What's this called?
Salaan.
Salaan.
Salaan lang yun sa amin. Uy, colander, malalaman.
Ito ginagamit sa mga fries.
And we're here in the Philippines, so we'll call this salaan.
Huwag lang magkakamali.
Nag-iiyak ako sa sibuyas.
Oh.
Ain't it funny how you enter the second I wake up?
Ayusin nyo, guys!
Pili ko hindi naiiyak si ate.
Ako na. Ain't it funny? Lalo mo ako. Oh, hey, it's not comedy. How you talk to her when we were together. Took me 2 years. Mali na yung lyrics.
Anong part po yun? Anong verse po yun?
Walang mali yun, guys. Hi, guys! Our spaghetti, our pasta is cooked already. And here's Pat sauteing our hot dogs, onions, and garlic.
Sauteing yan, sauteing.
Yeah, cook with love.
With love.
Ay, kasi po, ang paniniwala ko, nasa kamay ko ang sarap ng buhay. So, gaganunin ko po.
Oh my God! Ganun din mo!
Magic sarap. Sarap ng buhay.
Oh. Okay, wait lang, guys. Okay, tama na. And then, a sprinkle of pepper. Basta water.
How many ito?
Grabe, hindi ko abot yung lutuan.
Yeah, just 1 pack.
Malaki.
Ay, Jer, may sasabihin ako sa'yo.
Amen.
Ano yan po yun? Wait lang.
Duway yun.
Duway.
Imo,
duway, ma.
Wait lang!
Maot imo, duway.
Ano ibig sabihin nun?
Jer, balay ka.
Ano ibig sabihin nun?
Dagway!
Maot imong dagway.
Ano ibig sabihin?
Hindi pa tanong! Hindi pa tanong.
Maot imong dagway. Sabihin mo ano?
Ano nga po yun?
Hindi, naintindihan na agad ni JM eh.
Ha, gwapo ka.
Gwapo yun!
Ano ba ibig sabihin? Gwapo.
Kung sabihan ka na ng pogi, ayaw mo pwede wag na.
Sabihin mo ano nga po yun?
Ay, alam niya. Alam siya.
Ha? Alam, Bisaya yan si JM. Bisaya yan.
Bicol kasi na.
Guys, we're here na sa sauce.
Yes.
Cook na yung pasta namin. And we have a jelly. Sige, go.
Wow!
And then put some water.
May alam pa isa.
Hindi, put some water sa, sa sachet.
Guys, so now we are done cooking the pasta. So we're just waiting para maluto ang ating sauce. Mag-hi ka muna. Yan po aking chef. Naghahalo siya. So si Ate Arjen ay busy. So kami muna ang magbablog. And now, ay sige mamaya na lang pala.
Guys, welcome to Timpla series. Nesty
Ayan,
series.
nagbablog kami. And syempre, di kasha yung yellow.
Siyempre, sa aming luck,
Babasagin lang.
sa aming napakagaling na swerte, hindi kasya yung yellow inano. Malas yata. Hindi swerte eh, naging malas. Sa ating dalawang cookery chefs, say hi. Kumusta po ang pag-ano dyan? Ano ba? Tas, yung iba rin palang yellow, ganyan na. Ano mo na lang. Ano mo sa pader. Yung mga ba, ano yan? Like balutan ng,
Guys, malinis kamay ko.
yung witness. Naghugas po siya, naghugas. Ilagay ko lang first, second, third lang.
Very smooth.
Galing talaga.
Okay na guys, mamaya na ulit. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi everyone! This is Sit Pansit. I know, spaghetti pala it is.
Yes! Hard works ng mga ito. Mamahan.
Okay lang kapag you have to talk. You have to talk when you're...
So guys, natapos na ang aming paghihirap.
Yeah.
At ngayon, tayong gaano katagal ang cooking time? Gaano katagal ang cooking time?
This is the spaghetti by Patricia and Pen.
Penpat cookery.
So dahil ito'y masarap, hindi nyo ito kakainin. The Pen and Pat special.
Alapen and alapat. Alapat.
Pen and pat.
Parang Ben and Ben daw. Go.
Kaya mo. It's your time, Mother.
This is your time to play.
Pakita mo sa kanila kung paano
Yes, magpakita.
So this is how you plate the pasta.
Wow!
So you have to dig into the... oh no! It's so little. It's okay. You have just to get another.
Si Mama!
Okay.
Bilang yung mga pakakainin natin doon.
And then next,
16 pa.
we'll just have to add some more.
Nang wala dito.
Look at.
Oy, where's the plates?
Nasa labas na po.
No.
Dito na.
Dito na yung plating.
Kuya Drin, si Pasok, ang mga plato.
So wag na tayo mag-plating guys. Ganong-ganon na natin to.
Papasok pa po ba ni Drin yung plato?
Yes.
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 Yan pang dahilan ko rin.
Six na po tayo makakakain.
Okay, so
Do the honor.
how many people? How many?
16.
Okay, 16.
Yes.
Okay, do the honor. So guys, this is it. After a long day, after the hard work, after the chopping and the mincing and the podcasting, we finally got into our finale time, the eating time. We're in the plating time pa. Tawang-tawa. Wala pa po. And this is the reason, guys. We're preparing spaghetti. It's for our workers, our volunteers. Guys, meron pa doon ha kung sino yung gusto pa. Meron pa doon. Okay, that's it. Okay, yay, we're halfway done. Okay, thank you, Pastor Vince. Yeah. Okay. Action and review to the spaghetti by Angel, by Pat and Pan. Okay, Kurt, what can you say? 1 over 10. 8. Ay, tagal ni Kurt. 7? Why 7?
Type ng stuff na ano, nalalasahan ko na sa
Okay, later daw yung Y. Eric's.
8.
8? Why 8?
Kasi parang ito yung mga spaghetti na nalalasahan yung palo sa birthday.
Sa birthday. How about Ate Alexi? 8. 8? Why?
Mas maano ko po yung medyo mas maasin yung sauce.
Ah. How about Aldrich?
7.5.
7.5. Why?
Mas gusto po yung ano, creamy.
Creamy.
May pawis
Okay, how about you guys? Ay, syempre
Ano? 100
out of 10.
Sobrang dami ng luto namin.
Yes. Well, I agree. Sir Vince, what's your rating?
Sino nagluto?
It's a spaghetti from the heart of Pen and Pat.
Hindi, masarap. Mga ano, 8.
8. Oh.
Pag ginawa ko perfect, ako ka na mawala nang bumili sa iba.
Oo nga, baka iba naman